Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all really well. You're probably thinking, what is different about your hair? And that is because I am actually wearing a wig. This is not hair extensions, this is a wig. It's super long, it's amazing. It's human hair and it is from Mood Hair Inc. I'll pop a link below to the wig, and I'll also pop a link below to my previous video where I actually applied this lace front wig so you guys can see how I actually fix it to my head. In this video I'm going to be showing you 3 festival hair tutorials on how you can style up a wig, just in case there are any wig wearers out there that just don't really know how to style it up for different occasions. And I'm going to obviously be focusing on the festival season because that is one of my favourite times of year, and also we are in the full swing of the festival season now. So if any of you are going and want to wear a wig, these could be 3 tutorials to inspire you on how to style yours up. So yeah, I really hope you enjoy these tutorials in this video. Let's get going.
Gone when I need you. You know I'll be there for you. Where are you now? Where are you now? Always try my best for you. You just know it is true. Where are we now?
So they were the 3 festival hairstyles using this Mood Hair Ink wig. What did you guys think? I'd love to know which one was your favourite. Was it 1, 2 or 3? And please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. I've popped all links below to the products I've used and the wig. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.